This is Japanese Kushikatsu, deep fried ingredient. Have you ever tried it?
Travel Tokyo on YouTube.
Hello buddies! This is Ayano. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll share Japanese deep fried food, Kushikatsu. Today, I came to Ikebukuro to visit Kushikatsu restaurant called Kushiya Monogatari. Kushikatsu is very famous Japanese food. Various ingredients are used for Kushikatsu, and here, Kushiya Monogatari, we can cook by ourselves and we can have it as much as we want for 90 minutes. How many Kushikatsu do you think I can have? Okay, let's get started. Are you ready for a journey? Let's go and see what's going on. Please subscribe my channel. Today, I came to Kushiya Monogatari, which serves Kushikatsu Tabehoudai. Tabehoudai is we can eat as much as possible for limited time. This is a menu. Adults cost 1500 Japanese yen and the time is 90 minutes. This is a flyer. Each table has it. Oil is in it. This is Kushikatsu II. It's gooey. We put it onto ingredients. This is clam. We put it outside of Kushikatsu II. It's very dry. These are ingredients. We can take anything from this case. I took some for the first. I'll show you. I took a mushroom, a lotus root, fish, shrimp, a chicken, and an eggplant. Let me show you how to cook Kushikatsu. Take any ingredient and put it into the Kushikatsu. It's better to turn it and put it into clam. Once it's covered by clam, gently put it into the oil. Be careful, oil is really hot, not to get burned. Wait for about 1 or 2 minutes. We can also select sauces. There are 8 different flavors we can select. When color is like this, Kushikatsu is cooked. Light brown delicious color looks really nice. Gently take it out from the oil and put it on your dish. Give me a comment what you want to see. Itadakimasu. This is the first Kushikatsu for today. It's chicken. I put some sauce to have it. It's nice and crispy. Chicken is well cooked and it's tasty. But be careful, it's really hot. When you have Kushikatsu, skewer will be left. There is a used skewer container on the table. Once you have it, put skewers in it. Let's keep eating Kushikatsu. Next ingredient is shrimp. This is plump. I like it. Keep cooking other ingredients. I cooked mushroom, a lotus root, fish, and an eggplant. Put Kushikatsu and clam and put it in the oil. It's looking really nice. I'm so happy too many Kushikatsu are cooking at once. It's kinda gorgeous. It's simple. I'm really happy. Let's keep having it. First one is fish. It's nice. Fish is so tender. Second one is a mushroom. It's crispy but soft. It tastes good. Third one is lotus root. It's thick but it's not hard. It's well cooked so it's nicely soft. Last one is an eggplant. This is hot but it's good. Eggplant is kinda melting. I had 6 Kushikatsu so far. I want to have some more. This time, I got many ingredients. Beef, chicken breast, pork, king oyster mushroom, onion, squash, okura, baby corn, squid, potato, and shish pepper. Okay, let's start cooking. Put all ingredients into the oil. The sound of flies are really nice. It gives me so much appetite. Golden brown deep flies looks wonderful. I have some more ingredients to cook. Let's keep cooking. While we are waiting for frying, let me show you ingredients that we can take. There are variety ingredients in the case, such as beef, pork, chicken, veggies, and even desserts. We can select from over 30 kinds of ingredients. Each kushikatsu is one bite size, so it's nice to have. I don't want to waste the time. I keep eating while I'm cooking. This is an okura. Crispy outside and inside is nicely soft. This is a young corn. Outside is crispy, but inside is also crunchy. This is a king oyster mushroom. It's crispy and soft and tasty mushroom. This is a beef. It's tender. Deep fried beef is nice. This is an onion. This is good texture. It's really crispy and juicy. This is a shishito pepper. It's not spicy at all. It's a squash. It's nice and fluffy. I love its sweetness. It's a potato. It's not the same as French fries. It's more crispy. This is a pork. It's good crispy. It's more like mini tonkatsu. This is a squid. This is nice and chewy. Crispy yet chewy. This is a chicken. It's tender, juicy chicken. I want more ingredients to have. This time I got 1 squash, 2 lotus roots, 2 shiitake mushrooms, 2 okuras, 2 shishito peppers, 1 potato, 2 fishes, 2 shrimps, and 2 chickens. Let's keep cooking. While I'm cooking, this time, let me show you other food in the restaurant. Not only kushikatsu, but also we can have rice, soup, curry, stir-fried noodle, and salad. These are all included in the course. Tabehoudai is fantastic. Let's keep having it. They were good, but I'm feeling a little bit full. But not yet. I'll have some more. I got 1 eggplant, 1 chicken, 1 shrimp, and another shrimp, another chicken, 1 shishito pepper, and 1 fish. Put dough and clam, and put it in the oil. Then eat. Put it in the oil. Then eat. Put it in the oil. Then eat. I can do it. This is the last kushikatsu for today. I put some sauce and have it. Crispy shrimp kushikatsu is really nice. This is my favorite one. I'm really full now. Lastly, I'll have desserts. There are some cakes and jellies we can have. And also chocolate fountain. Take cream puff and put into the chocolate. In a second, we can make chocolate cream puff. Let me have them. Dessert is really nice for the last. It makes me even more happy. ごちそうさまでした。Let's count up how many kushikatsu I had. I ate 40 of them. Did you enjoy the video? How was Kushikatsu and Kushiya Monogatari? Kushikatsu is crispy and really tasty. We can enjoy variety ingredients and cooking is so much fun. And I had 40 Kushikatsu today. Did you get correct answer? And do you think you can have more than me? Come and try! When you come to Tokyo, come to Kushiya Monogatari and Kushikatsu cooking. This is only one place to experience Kushikatsu cooking. Okay, that's all for today. Did you like our video? If you did, click like button below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I have social media accounts: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Links are in the description box, so please follow me. If you have any questions or things you want to see or things you want me to try, just give me comments. I'm looking forward to them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.